Hey yo, we live.
Cleaning today. Gonna be potentially cutting off the front end. I think we can get that done today. So we're cleaning, pull all the wiring back, make this completely shelled out so there's nothing in here that can be damaged, and then we're gonna trace where we want to cut, and we're gonna cut. So yeah, we can get that done today.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we gotta get the wiring out. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes first. I don't want to start cutting at like 6 o'clock when it's dark.
No. Once the sun goes down, we ain't doing
over,
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not doing it. All right, cool.
Gotta end it. Just be careful around the holes in the firewall. They're wide open. And there's one in the fender well too where the harness goes through. Just like no grommet at all.
It's the caliper. The caliper though. There's like all the stuff inside of it.
All right. When we are taking off the subframe, we can actually take out the Voodoo arms and like hand polish them. Cool, so we got the harness pulled out, started marking where we're going to be cutting. Trying to stay on top of this pinch weld down here. Even though we washed this car like 9,000 times, it's still filthy. That's the hood release cable. Out of the way. We used some orange tape to label as much as we possibly could so we don't completely mess this up later. We don't know how much of this harness is going to be staying in the car. The wiring specialist harness through TF Works is on the way, or you have it?
On the way.
On the way. So we're gonna put this into a bag and try to pull it through the fender well here. The only thing is those relay boxes are not gonna make it through that hole.
Maybe. Pull the rubber thing out.
Maybe, I don't know. Cut the rubber thing.
Cut the hole larger.
Get a hole saw bit. Zzz.
With the wires.
We'll see. We'll see. There was some like ratchet shit that they did here for the harness before. So coming along. Probably set the GoPro up on a tripod where we start cutting, and yeah.
You just want to get to the part where we cut.
I just want to cut.
I like it a lot.